In this video, I'll just show you how you can add barcodes in your Excel sheet for simple inventory or business management. What you're gonna do is, first of all, download the zip file from the description. It is a font file that you have to download and install it. I'll just show you how you can install it. You will get a zip file something like this. You have to extract it here. I'll just have the software, so I just simply you get this ttf file and just double click it, and you will just get the install button. And okay, just install it. Mine is currently installed, so I won't go it again over it again. So just do this, your font will be installed. Then restart your Excel sheet, and over here in the Excel sheet, I'll just increase the size of it. And now over here, write your number that you want to assign. Either it can be an alphanumeric number, so assign anything. uh, but make sure those all the letters are between the asterisk, inside the asterisk. So now I'll just give it something random like ABCD and 9876. Okay, so this is the numbering for my barcode. And now how will I change it to the barcode? This simple process. Just click on the cell, and for the font, just search for this font, and it will just simply turn your code into the barcode. And you can just increase the size so it's much more visible. And I'll just show you how it scans. Like currently I don't have a barcode reader, so I'll just show you how it reads the text from the simple reader from the mobile. So currently, as you can see, I am scanning it from my mobile device, and just the moment I do this, it will automatically scan the barcode and it shows the text at the bottom, which is ABCD 9876. So that's how you add barcodes in your Excel sheet. And that's all for this video. Make sure you leave a like and subscribe the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.